Dear student, welcome to today's class. So in our preparation for JEE MAINS 2022 examination, today I am going to explain some problems from the chapter Quadratic Equations. So Quadratic Equations is a very important chapter. In every JEE MAINS examination, you are getting a one question from these quadratic equations. That question is also a very easy question. Everybody can answer that question. So shall we see a few problems from the chapter Quadratic Equations. So let us start our class. So dear students, welcome to the first problem of this today's class. The problem is, if P and Q are two positive numbers such that P plus Q is equal to 2 and P power 4 plus Q power 4 is equal to 272, then P and Q are the roots of the equation. So these are four equations are given. Then P and Q are the roots of which of the following equations, right? So if you want to find out the solution of this problem, you should know one basic idea. The first one is the quadratic equation whose roots are alpha and beta is x square minus of alpha plus beta times x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. This is the first thing you have to know. Here what are the numbers you are given? P and Q. Therefore, what are the quadratic equation whose roots are P and Q? So this is x square minus of P plus Q into x plus PQ is equal to 0. Clear? Here P plus Q value is given how much? 2. That is x square minus 2x plus PQ is equal to 0. So if you know the value of PQ, the problem is over. So from this you can guess the answer from the options. So here x square minus 2x. So your answer is either A or C. But B and C cannot be your answer. So you are eliminated two options. So if you know the value of PQ, the problem is over. Further, to find out the value of PQ, here two equations are given. One equation is P plus Q is equal to 2. Another equation is P power 4 plus Q power 4 is equal to 272. To solve this problem, one more concept is also you have to know from binomial theorem. What is the expansion of A plus B whole power 4? Why? Because we want P power 4, Q power 4. What is the expansion of A plus B whole power 4? The expansion is A power 4 plus 4A cube B plus 4 6A square B square plus 4A B cube plus B power 4. So this is altogether you will get 5 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So A plus B whole power 4 is equal to A power 4 plus 4A cube B plus 6A square B square plus 4AB cube plus B power 4. So if you know all these concepts, the solution of this problem is very easy. So let us move to the main solution. So dear students, welcome to the main solution of this problem. Okay now. So see here. So here it is given P plus Q value is 2. Here P power 4 plus Q power 4 value is given as 272. Okay now. So I will write down the binomial expansion P plus Q whole power 4 is equal, just now I explained binomial expansion. So this is a P power 4 plus 4 times P cube Q plus 6 times P square Q square plus 4 times P Q cube plus Q to the power of 4. Okay, right. I will rearrange the terms. P plus Q whole power 4, P power 4 plus Q power 4. At one place I will write down P power 4 plus Q power 4 plus. In this value, from this and from this, I can take 4PQ value as a common. Here it becomes P square, here it becomes Q square. plus 6 times p square q square. Yes, I know the value of p plus q, I know the value of p power 4 plus q power 4. This value pq, actually we have to find out the value of pq, but we don't know the value of p square plus q square. So this is also pq square we can write down. Right, one more step I will write it as like this, p plus q whole power 4. This is p power 4 plus q power 4 plus 2 4pq. This value can I write it as p plus q whole square minus 2pq plus 6pq square. Okay now. So to solve this for my convenient, let us take a pq value is x. Let us take pq is equal to x so that the problem will become easy. So p plus q value is how much? 2. 2 to the power of 4, 16. This is equal to p power 4 plus q power 4 value is 272 plus 4 pq, just for my convenience saying I am taking x into p plus q value is 2, 2 square 4 minus 2x plus 6 pq value is x, I am taking x square. Okay now, right. So coming to 16 is equal to 272 plus multiply inside 4 4s are 16x minus 4 2s are 8x square plus 6x square. Okay, so if you simplify this, you will get 2x square minus 16x minus 256 is equal to 0. So you can divide with 2. So this is equal to x square minus 8x minus 128 is equal to 0. Clear? So what are the factors of this? The factors of this are very clear. So this factors is x plus 8, x minus 16 is equal to 0. It's very clear factors. So x is equal to minus 8 or x is equal to 16. Actually, what is your x? PQ. So your PQ value is minus 8 or PQ value is plus 16. PQ value is plus 16. Dear, see here, P and Q are two positive numbers. They are positive numbers. So when two numbers are positive, their product is also positive. But here we got product of P and Q is minus 8. This case will be invalid. This case will be invalid. So PQ is equal to 16. So what is the quadratic equation? X square minus P plus Q times X plus PQ is equal to 0. So x square minus, already P plus Q value is 2. This is a 2x plus PQ value is 16 is equal to 0. That is plus 16. So plus 16 should be there. You should not have minus 16. So option C will also invalid. So your correct answer is option A. So such a easy problem. So if you know the binomial expansion of P plus Q whole power 4, the problem will become very easy. Okay. I hope that you understand this solution. So let us move to next problem. So dear students, welcome to the second problem. The second problem is, let A comma B comma C be in AP. Let the centroid of the triangle with vertices A comma C, 2 comma B and A comma B be 10 upon 3 comma 7 upon 3. If alpha and beta are the roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus 1 is equal to 0, then the value of alpha square plus beta square minus alpha beta. So to solve this problem, first you should know some basic principles. The first one is, if A, B, C are in AP, if A, B, C are in AP, we know that B is the arithmetic mean of AC. So this implies 2B is equal to A plus C. That is equal to B is equal to A plus C by 2. The second concept what you have to know is, for a triangle with vertices A, x1 comma y1, vertex B x2 comma y2, C x3 comma y3. The coordinates of centroid G is given by x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. This is the centroid of the triangle. Third one is, if ax square plus bx plus bx plus c is equal to 0 for this quadratic equation, if two roots are there, alpha, beta, what is the sum of the roots? Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Alpha into beta is equal to c upon a. Understand? So, if you know all these three basic principles, so we can easily solve this problem. Okay now. So, let us move to the solution of the main problem. So, dear students, welcome to the solution of the main problem. See here, it is given A, B, C are in AP. So, this implies 2B is equal to A plus B. Call it as first equation. There are three vertices are there, A comma C, 2 comma B, A comma B. So, what is the centroid of the triangle? Centroid of the triangle. What is the centroid of the triangle? x1, this is x1, x2, x3. x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, comma, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. This is given as 10 upon 3, 7 upon 3. This is equal to 2a plus 2 upon 3, comma, this is c plus 2b by 3. It is given as 10 upon 3, comma, 7 upon 3. Okay now, equating the corresponding coordinates. So, here 3 will get cancelled. So, this is a 2a plus 2 is equal to 10, a plus 1 is equal to 5, a is equal to 4. So, we got the value of a value. Okay, right. Let us equate the y coordinates. Here 3 will get cancelled. C plus 2b is equal to 7. C plus 2b is equal to 7. Okay now, coming to the first equation, the first equation 2b is equal to a plus c. So, here what is the value of 2b? 2b value is how much? A plus c. Can I substitute here? C plus, in place of 2b, can I substitute a plus c is equal to 7? That is from equation number 1. This is c plus c is equal to 2c plus a value already 4. This is equal to 7. So, this implies 2c is equal to 7 minus 4, that is equal to 3. C value is 3 by 2, 3 upon 2. C value we got 3 by 2. So, we got a value and we got c value. So, actually we should know the values of a and b. So, we should know the value of a and b. So, let us take the first equation. 2b is equal to a plus c. 2b is equal to a value is 4 plus c value is 3 by 2. So, this is 2b is equal to 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 3 11 by 2. So, this is equal to b is equal to 11 by 4. B is equal to 11 by 4. So, all the three values we got, that is a value, b value, c value. So, we want only a value, b value. So, this is a value, b value, we substitute there, and afterwards we will take the sum of the roots and the product of the roots. So, let us continue our solution. So, dear students, welcome to the remaining solution. So, what is the quadratic equation we have? Ax square plus bx plus 1 is equal to 0. What is the value of a? 4x square. What is the value of b? Plus 11 by 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay now. So you multiply with 4. So this is equal to 16x square plus 11x plus 4 is equal to 0. He said that alpha and beta are the roots of this equation ax square plus bx plus 1 is equal to 0. So there are the two roots alpha and beta. What is sum of the roots? Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a minus 11 by 16. Alpha into beta is equal to c by a, that is 4 by 16, that is 1 by 4 by 16. This is equal to 1 by 4. Okay now. So we know alpha plus beta value, we know alpha into beta value. Is asked to find out alpha square plus beta square. So what we have to find out? Final answer, alpha square plus beta square minus alpha beta. So clearly alpha square plus beta square value, we can write it as a alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 times alpha beta minus alpha beta. So alpha plus beta whole square minus 3 alpha beta. Okay, right. Alpha plus beta value is equal to how much? Minus 11 by 16 whole square minus 3 into alpha into beta value 1 by 4, that is equal to 3 by 4. Okay, so minus 11 by 16 whole square minus 3 by 4. So if you simplify and if you get the answer, so you will get the answer this as a minus 71 by 256. Minus 71 by 256. So option B is your right answer. Okay, so very easy problem. So you observe that the problems from the quadratic equations are very easy and the calculation also very easy. Okay, so let us move to next problem. So dear students, welcome to the third problem. The third problem is the coefficients of a, b and c of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 are obtained by throwing a die 3 times. By throwing a die 3 times. The probability that this equation has equal roots is. So very clear. In this quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So you have the coefficients as a, b, c. These 3 coefficients are obtained by throwing a die 3 times. That means what? If you throw a die 3 times, 6 cube 216 possible outcomes will come. Okay na? If you throw what are the 216 possible outcomes you will get. In that possible outcomes, if that means one possible outcome, put a value here, b value here, c value here and check whether this quadratic equation has a roots, equal roots or not. So what is the probability? What is the probability? So this question is a mixture of both quadratic equation and probability. Okay now. So in JEE mains examination also, so you will get this type of mixture problems. Okay. So to solve this problem, first we think one thing what you have to know is, the first thing we know is the quadratic equation ax square plus bx is equal to, has equal roots. When it will have equal roots? When it's a discriminant, that is a delta b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. This is the first concept you know. And the second concept is, when you throw a die one time, so total number of cases is 6 power 1. If you throw a die 2 times, the total number of outcomes are 6 square. If you throw a die 3 times, the favorable cases is 6 cube. Understand? So this is the second concept you should know. And the third one is probability of an event is equal to, so total number of favorable cases by total number of outcomes. total number. So, n of e by n of s. So, if you know these three concepts, we can solve this problem very easily. So, let us solve the main problem. So, dear students, welcome to the main solution. So, here this quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 has equal roots. Therefore, b square is equal to 4ac. That is, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Therefore, b square is equal to 4ac. So, what is given? These coefficients. What are these coefficients? A value, b value, c value. They are obtained from a die. That means it is thrown 3 times. So, you will get ordered triplets you will get. Okay, now. That means what? These values A, B, C, they belongs to the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On the die only these numbers will be there, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We don't know this what values we have to take. So, that this equation b square is equal to 4ac will be satisfied. Let us move one by one. Let us take the what are the favorable cases. Okay, let us see. First, let us take b square is equal to 4, b is equal to 1. If I take b is equal to 1, what happens? What are the values of ac? Tell me any values. If b is equal to 1, 1 square 1 is equal to 4 into, if you substitute 1 and 1, it will become 4. 1 is equal to 4, 1 cannot be equal to 4. This case fails. This case fails. Now, let us take b is equal to 2. b is equal to 2. What are the possible cases of a and c so that this equation is valid? When b is equal to 2, what is the left hand side? b square. That means 2 square 4. So, you have to choose a and c value from this set such that left hand side is equal to right hand side. So, what are the a and c values? You can choose. It is if you take a value 1, c value 1, that will be equal. Is it not? See here, 2 square 4, 4 into 1 into 1, 4 is equal to 4. So, you have got one chance. That is all only, nothing more you will get. This is now. Let b is equal to 3. Let b is equal to 3. If you take b is equal to 3, 3 square how much? 9. 9 is equal to 4ac. Nothing you can, it is not at all possible. This is also not at all possible. Why? Because 3 square 9, if you multiply 4 with any number, you will get an even number. You won't get. Let b is equal to 4. b is equal to 4. So, then what are the possible cases of a and c? b is equal to 4 means 4 square 16. If you take here, a value is 1, c value 4, c value 4, that is 1 comma 4. Check here, 4 square 16, 4 into 1 into 4, 16 is equal to 60. Another chance is also there. If a value 4, c value 1, this is also one case. This is also one case. Why? 4 into 1, that is also 16. Another case is also there. What is that case? 2 comma 2, that is 4 into 2 into 2. 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 60. Understand? 8 2s are 60. So, that is 16 is equal. So, for this case we have 1, 2, 3 cases favorable. So, let b is equal to 5 also fails. Why? Because b square 25. So, it is a odd number. For that side you will get an even number. So, that is also fail. So, let b is equal to 6. 1 over 2, 3, 4, 5 over, now coming to 6. 6 square 36. 6 square is equal to how much? 36. What are the numbers you will get? A comma c. A comma C. What are the numbers? You have to substitute here so that you will get 36. Check, check. So A is equal to 3, B is equal to 3. Check here. 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. That's all, only one cases. So altogether, what is the total number of favorable cases? What is the total number of favorable cases? That is n of E, we will call it as n of E. What is the total number of favorable cases? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What are the total number of favorable cases? 5. Okay, now. What is favorable cases? What is meant by total number of outcomes? That is n of S is equal to how much? That is equal to 6 cube 216. So why? Because the die is thrown how many times? 3 times. If it is thrown 1 time, total number of outcomes are 6 power 1. If the die is thrown 2 times, the total number of outcomes is 6 square. If a die is thrown 3 times, so you will get ordered triplet. That means 1 comma 1 comma 1, 1 comma 1 comma 2, 1 comma 1 comma 3. Like that, how many total cases we will get? Total points 216. So coming to obviously, what is the probability of an event is equal to n of E by n of S. This is 5 by 216. Therefore, option C is the correct answer. Okay, so this is a very easy problem. It is a mixture of both quadratic equations and a probability. Okay, now, right. So I hope that you understand these solutions very clearly. So in the next class, so I will come with another chapter. Okay, since these chapters you have a very easy problems, you just go through all the previous year problems, you will get a good number of questions from this quadratic equation. Okay, let us see the next class.